professional development is very, very important. Do it in the name of mentoring, because professional development still will become be very compliant, very information driven, or a particular skill driven, but the mentoring will always be human driven. And therefore their capabilities as human beings, their capabilities to apply their wisdom, to work in teams, to take decisions, to appreciate the higher purpose of education, to develop relationship. I think those are the things that we have to develop.
Right. So help us see in practical ways what would be the difference between training a teacher and mentoring a teacher, both as if I am a teacher and or if I'm a school leadership.
Thank you very much for highlighting this issue. So let's say, for example, how to use AI could be part of the professional development, right? How to integrate AI. That is professional development.
Yes.
Right? But how to use AI to develop critical thinking in the children. So it is little different from that. Right? Somebody has to apply it, show it, demonstrate it, and then only a new teacher will appreciate it. Right? And then you have given the professional development to the teachers, fine. Then give her opportunity to conduct a workshop. Give her opportunity to present a paper in a conference. Give her opportunity to be an author. Sponsor her for greater responsibilities. Start trusting her with responsibilities. So that is mentor. That is mentor.